In this lesson, we will show you how to find and replace data. This is useful when you're wanting to refill multiple cells with the same data, or you have multiple cells with the same data, and you want to replace it with something else. So for this, you're going to use the Control F function, which is the find and replace function, and it's going to bring up this box, this find and replace box has find what, replace with. Um, for this example, we're going to work with this column C, and we're going to replace these with acronyms to save space, right? So the first one we're going to do is the paid half. We're going to replace paid half with HF. And so you're going to type in the find what box, you're going to type paid half, and in the replace with box, you're going to type HF. And then at the bottom there, you're going to select replace all. Now, if you select replace, it's only going to replace it in the cell that's highlighted. So in the one cell that we have selected, paid half will change to HF. But in this case, we want to do replace all, and it's going to change all of them to HF. Let's do it again, but this time let's do it for paid in full, and we're going to change it to PD, F, and we're going to get the box, and we're going to replace them all with DP for deposit only, right? So now that we've changed everything in this column, the next thing we want to do is to resize it because it's much smaller now. It holds much smaller data now. So we can just grab it and replace it. So another way to autofill is to enter data in one cell and then drag your mouse down the column to fill the other cells. In this example, we're going to create a new column that says paid, and it will represent whether the bill has been paid or has an outstanding balance. So we can match the header to the other headers, and then we can make sure that we have the sort function on all of our headers here. So we'll use the sort and filter function there, so that and then the filter, so that it creates these little drop down arrows for all of our columns. And under the bill section, let's select only the bills that are paid. So for this example, we're going to use yes for paid, no meaning they still have an outstanding balance. So we can type Y in the first cell, and then with our mouse we can grab the corner of the cell and just drag down holding your mouse, and everything will fill with the letter Y. And then for aesthetics, for looks, we can select center to make it centered. Let's do the same thing for the other two columns since they have a remaining balance. We'll isolate them, and we'll type the letter N. And again, go to the corner of the box, drag down, holding your mouse, and all of those boxes will fill with the letter N. And again, for aesthetics, you can center that. And so if you select all now, you'll see the combination. You'll see the Y's and the N's in that paid column. So that's another way that you can autofill a cell or a column.